Hi, welcome back to another video. We are doing a gel polish set today for a collaboration with the Glitter Girlz, and it's for Aggie, whose channel name is Unpolished with Aggie. I have got a few bits and pieces out, but I may change my mind part the way through what I'm doing. Right, so I've got out my formate glue and I've got a couple of pieces of pink foil out. I have just put some mylar in a little dish ready, or a little tray ready, so I'll put that aside. And I've got Emily's, oops, it helps if you're in shot, 121, and then I've got Fairy Glow, which is the pink one, which is bloody lovely, I might say so myself. Right, I have base coated all of these with Emily's base coat. Let's just move that stuff over there. Right, decisions. I think we'll go pink with those two and that one, and then I think we'll do the pink glitter one either side. So I'm going to do this one first. Should we bring it down a little bit? Oh, let me lock the screen, that might help, otherwise you'll be going blurry. This stuff is so pigmented, you just need one coat, and it's very reasonably priced. You can get it on Amazon, I think you can get it on eBay as well. I'm sure I've seen it on eBay. If you like sparkle. Let's just pop that one in. Remove the client's finger. That one is 58014. Right, we're going to go in with 121 from Emily. Okay, they've been cured, they've still got a tacky layer on. I'm just going to move them up out the way because we're just going to top coat these. Right, that's that one. I'm actually going to put, I think I might put them in some base coat, just in case that's not tacky enough. Oh, as I've just knocked all the Mylar out the dish. Clever joke. Right, I've got Premier Gel's Liquid Builder. I'm actually going to take them off so I'm able to make sure I'm in shot. Okay, what I've actually done is, obviously you saw me do the first one. I've done 2 coats on that one because the Mylar was sticking up slightly, so I thought it needed 2. I've wiped them off with alcohol once they've come out the lamp, and I've just gone over those 2 with a file and a buff at, and I'm just going to do this one. I'm so sorry if you can hear drilling again, they're still drilling next door. My gloves work themselves down, and then I end up filing them. It doesn't need much because I didn't put that much of a thick layer. And then I've just got a bit of alcohol on there. Just give it one wipe off. And then that can go back. Okie dokie. They look quite nice and matte actually. Should just catch the light on the Mylar. Just trying to get a bit of the rubbish off my hands. Right. Next up, need another one of them with a bit of alcohol on. Just gonna wipe the backs of these pieces of foil so I am out of shot. Over there. Right. This is Glitter Planet's Foil Mate. I am going to put it all the way over. I'm not going to put the foil completely over, I just want to dab it on and off here and there. Right, shut the lid up on that. Push that down slightly so I can bring my lamp in. These little pieces of foil I am going to screw up so you get creases in them. I've got 2 just in case I didn't have enough. As you do. I'm going to actually go over. I don't know if to mat them or not. Yeah, I'm going to mat them. I've got Premier Gel's matte top coat, because that's the only matte top coat I've got. I say that every time. Right, they have been matte top coated and cured. I'm going to pull this one out, only because it makes life easier for me. Just pulled out a couple of jewels. I'm going to fast forward through bits of this because I'm going to have to flash cure and that in between. Okay, I have just continued down with a few of the jewels, and I've put some up either corner of the exterior. I think I'm going to leave a matte just to be different, because I think if I have more shiny, like these are ridiculously shiny. I'm going to have to try a matte one day and see what they look like. I will see what happens. But I quite like that with the mylar underneath because it's giving an undertone of green. I don't know if you can see that on there. Just. So, and because it's underneath the builder gel, it's like there's a lot of depth to it. You can't see it on camera, but because the builder gel's on top and the mylar's right underneath it, I can actually see that the mylar is at the bottom and the foil is on the top of the nail, which is quite nice. I likes them. A bit too pink for me, but I know Aggie loves pink. Right, I will leave a link to the playlist below, and I'll leave a link to Aggie's YouTube channel. Please pop over and say happy birthday, and please do go and watch the other ladies, girls, Glitter Girlz. And yeah, go and have a nosy. Right, I'll leave you in peace. I'll leave some photos at the end. Okay, bye.